So this is lesson 8 in our chapter on probability, and it's called blood types. And essentially it's a practical application of how we use probability in the real world. And the questions are very simple, and it's a very, very short worksheet indeed. So I'm going to show you the first example, and then you can look at the other questions, and you've got the answers there, so you can see how you're going, and we'll talk about it on Friday if you need to. So the graph in front of you is a graph of the percentage of the different type of blood types that we have in Australia. Okay, so the way we read it is basically 40% of Australians are made up of O positive blood, and 9% of Australians are have O negative blood, etc. Okay, so let's have a look at the question, and I don't think we'll find this too hard. Now, it says, the table opposite shows the number of males and females living in New South Wales. Use the column graph and use this table to answer these questions. How many males in New South Wales have a blood type of B positive? So, B positive is here, and it's 8% of Australians. So, we are assuming that 8% of the male population of New South Wales will be B positive. So we're going to grab our calculators and work out what 8% of 3.8 million is. And this is how we write 3.8 million. Now, if I grab a calculator, which is right here, remember when we do a percentage on a calculator, we're going to type in the quantity first. So 3,800,000 times 8, and I'm going to use the percent button, percent equals. And the answer is 304,000. 304,000. Okay, next question. How many females in New South Wales have a blood type of O negative? Well, O negative is here, so we're expecting 9% of the female population to have O negative blood. So we write down 3 million like this, and then times it by 9%. So we grab our calculators again, and we have 3,900,000 times by 9% equals 351,000. 351,000. And the last question, how many people in New South Wales have a blood type of A positive? So A positive here is 31%, it's the second most common, and we've got 7.7 million, so it's 7,700,000 times 31%. And we'll grab our calculators once more, and we'll do 7,700,123 times by 31%, which equals 2,387,000. So 2,387,000 people have A positive blood. And that's it, guys. Should be very easy. It shouldn't take you too long to complete this this worksheet.